What is up, guys? I'm here with Crowd Hunters, you know what I'm saying? He's back again. He don't have the fancy wheels because we're about to go do some drifting stuff. Hell yeah, man.
Show them why you shouldn't plastic dip your wheels.
This is why you shouldn't plastic dip your wheels right here. You see that?
Fuck.
Do you see that? It's so weird. This thing looks good even on the stock. Well, from the back it does look good on the stocks. And then you see all the plastic dip. It's like kind of goofy. Yeah. But there's spares. You got the AGs at home though, right?
Yeah, still got them.
These are the winter wheels, or these are just the I don't give a fuck wheels?
Yeah, these are winter wheels, stock wheels. I don't give a fuck wheels.
I don't give a fuck wheels. One thing though, guys, if you guys still like haven't like heard, but I was talking about the caddy, it'll be back in December. I know a whole bunch of you guys have been like wondering where it's been at. I just gotta order a new trans and then get all the parts for it.
Oh, the trans blew up.
Yeah, my trans blew up. Yeah, I'm going auto, man. It's gonna be a full race car.
TH400.
Either TH400 or 4L80. But we're gonna go do that, and then
I think you can just go TH.
TH.
It's a bit more simple.
It's cheaper too, so let's go have some fun. Whose signature is that? Is that Spawn getting?
Yeah.
That's hard.
Signed the
Mustang
Mustang.
week. Wait, what camera you got? The A6000? What? Why don't you use that Jimmy Jam more?
Cause this shit's, well, since I sold my laptop,
it's been harder to edit.
Yeah, I can't really edit from straight off of this because like it's not supported on my phone and shit.
Yeah.
Either one of these should be charged, or both of them should be charged.
Well, I mean, you live close now, so like, shoot, if you ever want to start using that more, we can like link up, edit some videos. Yeah, that'd be dope.
I got shit on there. I just gotta edit and shit.
Yeah. We got some more shout outs because like I said, once you guys comment, like you're automatically like not really entered. It's not like a contest or anything, but like I'm gonna start doing shout outs every video. But first comment goes to one of my biggest supporters. Her name is TR Vlogs Car Life. She changed her name and it usually used to be TR Vlogs. But go check out her channel. She does a whole bunch of car stuff. It does like interviews and stuff. I'll probably be on there pretty soon. And then one more is gonna go to Steven Montalvo. I don't know how to say that, but he made fun of us, called us racers from the Walmart video. But hey, I'm saying I just kind of randomly picked that. So hey Steven, like keep on hating, bro. You know what I'm saying? Got the OG sticker. I remember we got that a minute ago. He had a little crack. It was a little crack right here, and then you know what I'm saying, over time it just got messed up. So one day you're gonna hit a fucking bump and this whole thing's just gonna come in. It's pretty much it's a smart car with a trunk, pretty much.
Oh wait, can't forget this.
Right, dude. What are you doing, bro? I forgot about your little kill button. Shit's dope. These are so, I don't know, these are a lot easier than the Caddy and the fucking Lexus.
This shit got out of hand.
You got it in first? Put that bitch in second.
Is that what I'm doing wrong?
Yeah, you're spinning the wheels too much. Put that joint in second and fucking. Hold on, let me get out while you do a couple. Gang gang. Oh yeah.
Crikey.
You're tall ass. I gotta push this shit up.
Yeah, this shit's kind of weird.
What?
How it spins. Like, I feel like I have no control over what it does. Yeah, it's kind of uncontrollable in a way. That Mustang. Hey, you think he stalled it again?
I'm not used to the big booty Stangs. I see what you're saying though.
It's kind of uncontrollable. Maybe it might be because I have 2 different tires on it.
Maybe. I don't know. It's weird, but like, I don't know. It feels like it like, not stutters, but like, I feel like the traction's still kind of on there for real.
Yeah, it might be the fault that came up on there. Oh, when you restarted it, the traction control might have came back on. That's probably why. Just hold it down until it turns off and then try it again. Nah, I see the advanced track still on. Okay. Turn it off. No, just press it once to turn it off. All right, and then now hold it. Okay, now it should be off. Try it now. Let's see what she does now. It's getting a little bit better now. Took the center cap off.
Oh.
Mailed it to me the other day.
That's weird. Unless you forgot to put it back on.
Yeah.
This thing's so fun. Oh.
Sounds good too.
Hell
Some
yeah.
exhaust.
Let me hear the exhaust, baby. My bad, you gotta roll it all the way back. Let's hear that exhaust.
A little teaser.
Can I get a oh yeah? That bitch is loud.
Yeah, it's loud as fuck now. It's still got cats on it.
For real?
Imagine if I take the cats off.
You be shooting flames, baby.
You might get the National Guard count out of this bitch.
Big flames, oh shoot. Say, come out of nowhere. All right guys, so back at the Wendy's. They're probably gonna hate us if it's the same people working from yesterday. But he's gonna do a little rev action and see if we can get some reactions from the.
I'm gonna blow some eardrums out.
Blow some eardrums out.
Can I get a water? Can I get a water? Can I get a water?
Cup of water.
Yeah.
Pull to the second window, thank you.
All right, thank you.
You gotta scream your order, fucking. Let me get a water.
I would feel bad doing this at Chick-fil-A because they'd be so
right.
nice.
They'd be so nice. My pleasure. Fuck you. Like,
these people here, they be ratchet as shit.
Hell yeah. Hi, how may I help you order? How are you,
Shit,
bitch?
you ever pull up and they just be like, "What you want?"
Yeah, that McDonald's on there. I think she said, "What you need? What you need?" Like, I need a better attitude. Okay.
Thank you.
She's like, "Nah, I ain't with the half." Get out of the way, stupid. Alright, you gotta get one more for the vid. Sunday, bro. Guys,
What?
What?
You got Boston's, bro?
Boston's, bro. They're shitty. I cracked this one the other day.
Well, you hit a pothole?
Yeah, dude. I was just turning.
Oh shit!
I was just turning, and this bitch said, "Kink."
Ouch.
It's pretty bad, but all right, guys. I want to say thanks to Faye. Well, not like Mike Tyson. I want to say thanks to my buddy Safe for letting us have a little fun time in his car. He get put on the spares and everything. We gotta do some burnouts some days, some drive-thrus or something. Go to the mall or something.
You know what we gotta do? We gotta go downtown.
Oh yeah, I'm down for that. We could do that. Hell yeah, I'm down. Once I get this wireless, I'm about to order this wireless mic next week. So if I can get that in soon, we can go start pranking people and I don't know, get homeless for content.
We gotta put some crazy shit on my car.
Put like buy one of those stick-on dildos or something. Drive around.
Yeah, on my hood.
Hell yeah. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Go check out Safe's channel. I'm gonna post a link somewhere around here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing.